The PLZ45, also called Type 88, is a Chinese-made 155mm 45 caliber tracked self-propelled howitzer designed and manufactured by Norinco, North Industries Corporation. The first prototype of the PLZ45 was unveiled in 1988. In 1997, Kuwait has ordered 27 vehicles, followed by another order of 27 vehicles in 2001. The first batch of 18 PLZ45 self-propelled guns and their associated support vehicles were delivered to Kuwait in March 2000. In 2007, Saudi Arabia has ordered 54 PLZ45. Standard PLZ45 battalion consists of 3 batteries, each with 6 PLZ45 self-propelled gun howitzers, SPGH, and 6 PCZ45 ammunition support vehicles, ASV. Each battery has a battery command post and 3 battery reconnaissance vehicles, BRV, both of which are based on the Type 85 APC. These are supported by W653A armored recovery vehicles, 704-1 artillery locating and fire correction radar, 702D meteorological radar, and fire support maintenance vehicles. The main armament of the PLZ45/Type 88 consists of one 155mm/45 caliber ordnance with a slotted muzzle brake and a fume extractor. In travel position, the cannon is held in place by a manually released traveling lock mounted on the glassy plate. The ammunition handling system consists of the loader, rammer, and shell trolley. The loader and the rammer are driven hydraulically with electric control. A total of 3,155mm projectiles is carried in 2 positions. 24 rounds in the loader and 6 rounds on the right side below the loader. Ammunition is stored in the rear compartment of the turret. For its self-protection, a 1.7mm machine gun is mounted on the roof hatch of the commander. The turret has an elevation of +72 to -3 degrees with 360-degree traverse. The PLZ45 can fire a full range of ammunition as extended range full bore, ERFB, high explosive, ERFB/E, base bleed high explosive, ERFBBB/E, ERFBBB/RA, ERFB/WP, ERFB/illuminating, ERFB/smoke, and ERFBBB/cargo. The layout of the PLZ45/Type 88 is conventional for a howitzer with the driver's and engine compartments at the front and the fighting compartment and turret at the rear. The PLZ45 has a crew of 5 including commander, gunner, 2 loaders, and a driver. The driver is seated at the front of the hull on the left side with the engine compartment to his right. The turret is at the rear of the hull with the commander's cupola on the right side. The hull and turret of the PLZ45 system are of all-welded steel armor construction that provides protection from small arms fire and shell splinters. The PLZ45/Type 88 is motorized with Deutz BF12L413 FC air-cooled supercharged diesel developing 525 horsepower coupled to 1 manual gearbox with dual power takeoff with 6 forward and 1 reverse gears. The PLZ45 uses torsion bar suspension which consists on each side of 6 dual rubber-tired road wheels with a distinct gap between the first, second and third road wheels and the drive sprocket at the front, idler at the rear and 3 track return rollers. The first and last roadwheel stations are fitted with a hydraulic shock absorber. The PLZ45 can run at a maximum road speed of 56 km per hour with a maximum cruising range of 450 km. The PLZ45 can negotiate a gradient of 58% and side slopes of 47%. It can cross natural or man-made vertical obstacles up to 700 mm high, and trenches 2,700 mm wide. The PLZ45/Type 88 is fitted with a fire control system which includes an automatic laying system, optical sighting system, gun orientation with a navigation system and GPS receiver. The 155mm self-propelled gun howitzer PLZ45 is fitted with an inertial direction finder, a gun point display system and a gun display unit, with fire information coming from the battery or battalion command system. Standard equipment of the PLZ45 includes an auxiliary power unit, NBC system, an explosion detection and suppression system and a fire suppression system.